Let's get this party started. Hello, hello, everybody. Let me jump into the colors here. Iridescent bright gold. Custom mixed champagne gold. Greenish yellow. I know you can't read, right? Prussian blue. Grayish blue. And delicious TLP Black Forest. Look at that shimmer. And here's beautiful TLP Strom. Alright, so we're going to start layering up in the cup. Starting with champagne gold. And the iridescent bright gold. Greenish yellow. I forgot to mention teal. Black Forest. Prussian blue. Grayish blue. Strom. Gonna do another round here. I wanted to share with you too, the pouring medium I made was US Floetrol and extra heavy gel gloss. Just getting it to the right consistency is key. Alright, so we're going to put down a base of gold. And then we're going to start with the wandering pour. So just sit back and relax and enjoy the ride. going to start on this second gold base and add that second cup of beauty and do the wandering pour again. Now I'm going to add a little bit of white mixture, which is Artist Loft with US Floetrol. It helps that paint move around, but we're going to take it nice and slow. I might have it sped up just a little bit, but you always want to tilt it nice and slow. When paint gives you lemons, let's do a swipe. The number 15 palette knife from Fluid Art Company. And this is the Cell Activator, Amsterdam White with Aussie Floetrol 3:1. It's just smooth like butter. And then we sit and wait and watch those cells pop up. Look at those pretty colors. Get you in here nice and close so you can see those cells. Look at those cells just starting to pop out. Woo! Now I'm going to take it pick it up and let's just do some tilting. Nice and slow. Let those beautiful cells glide over that color and let's see what happens. Sit back and relax. I want to see if I can shift this some more. Stretch those babies out. Let's throw caution to the wind. Here we are. Let's come in for a close-up. Gliding over this landscape of colors. It's like an earthly terrain. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you to Fluid Art Company and their wonderful products. Go grab you some This Little Piggy pigments, Amsterdam paints, and so much more. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Look at that beauty. It looks like a watery terrain in the desert. I'm loving it. What do you think about it? Oh, and by the way, I didn't make this. One of 26 artists in the December Piggy Switcheroo made it. Try to guess who in the This Little Piggy Fluid Art Pigment group on Facebook. Come join the fun. See who gets closest to the guest. Thanks for being here. Love you all. Bye.